I guess this is going to be the good pile. Next. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, okay. It does not like that. Does it have a jumper on it somewhere? Yeah, there we go. It's got that same jumper on J20, our old favorite, but for some reason this computer just really doesn't like. Okay, let's try again. Still doesn't like it. Oh no. What have I done? Is it not plugged in all the way? Oh god. Maybe I took off the wrong jumper? Well, that's not a good sign. Well, I guess we'll leave that one for now. Try this one. Okay. Wow. That does not... Whoa, that's quite a noise. It does spin up though. Yeah, it's making a noise. So it spins. But, what is going on? The light is stuck on. I don't know. Does it have jumper 20 on it? Try taking that off. It doesn't have any jumpers on it. That should be good then. I don't know. Is this like sitting on something? What it would be sitting on? The fan seems to, it's missing the fan. I guess we've got one more. You. Well, okay, isn't beeping at me. This one's making no noise at all. And it won't go past the screen. Light not coming on. Wonder if we can trick it into moving it. It's stuck, you know? Sometimes you can. I don't know. It doesn't sound like anything's moving in there. Still don't hear anything or feel any vibration. Yeah, I'm hitting F2, nothing's happening, so it's locked up. So I think this drive doesn't even spin up. So I think we're going to say this drive is bad. So this is going to go in the definitely bad pile. First drive in the definitely bad pile. I wonder, now that I've got a good working floppy disk, if I could go back and put the Maxtor diagnostic software on it. But I mean, if this won't even load, what good is that to me, you know? Well, now that we've gotten it past the, well, not past, but to the startup screen, let's see if one of these will work or if they're just gonna yell at me. Oh, that's a horrible noise. Okay, so it didn't find the drive. Well, let's try and boot here. Does it know about any drives? Nope. Okay, so I think I want to try and get the diagnostic software running. It may not run on anything other than Maxstors, but that's mainly what we're looking at here is Maxstors. So okay, hook this back up. Disk out. Okay. Here we have Max Blast 3. Turn it on. Put that in the CD drive. Go into setup. It's a CD-ROM reader. Excellent. Okay, let's set the boot sequence to, yeah, let's reset it to IDE CD-ROM first. Okay. Save changes and exit. Okay. Hey! Okay, English. Create PowerMax diskette with a diagnostic utility on it. I agree. Next. Yes, that's good. Using diskette. All right, diskette was created successfully. Cool. Yeah, let's exit. Cool. Use Control-Alt-Delete to reboot your system. Okay. Let's see if the disk boots. Starting Dr. DOS. All right, cool. So it loads it. All right, so then let's go ahead and hook up a Maxtor hard drive and see what it does. Let's start with these. I want to find out more about these. Okay. Hey! It's not angry at me. F8 to begin. F8 again. Scanning for drives. Oh, okay, so it's listed as a slave. So even though the BIOS doesn't detect it, the Maxtor program does. Let's see if it is installed. Okay, so the smart data is bad. So that means that it's probably dying, but that doesn't mean that it's dead. I might still be able to read it. Let's do a basic quick check. That's making some interesting noises. Peanut. Peanut, why? Oh, you're going to bed. Okay, I suppose. I did put everything in front of your bed, didn't I? Okay, so there was an error. No. Test results, advanced test required. Trying to scan the drive. Doesn't seem to be making any progress though. Well, I guess we know that it's not reading the drive, so Control X. It's not even letting me aboard. Okay, it's all locked up. Oh, hello? Wow, okay. Control X just really quits. Okay. But it did recognize it, so there's a possibility I might be able to get some data off of it. So we're not gonna junk this drive today anyway. Hello? I want it off. No, off. Thank you. Okay. Let's see what this drive has to say. if it picks up. Yeah, once again, it's detecting it as the slave. Interesting. This is installed. Once again, we're having smart problems, which suggests that it is dying. It may not actually be dead. Error code A20 S20? Yeah. Okay. Full read scan is recommended. Let's see if the read scan does the thing it did before. No, see, it's moving this time. So this drive is in better shape. It's actually scanning the drive. But I don't think we want to wait for it to scan the whole drive. The fact that it was able to read any of the drive at all means I might be able to get some data off of it. So we will go ahead and save this drive as well. Honestly, don't remember what's on these drives. It may not be anything that I need. I'm not ready to recycle the ones that might have some data on them. Okay, let's see if we can do this drive. Good. Oh, I'm still making weird noises. See if we can find out what those weird noises are. Oh, wow, that's a horrible noise. Found it. It's a slave as well. Is it installed? Okay, it is not able to read the partition. That could just be an information. It did fail read it very quick. Let's see what the basic quick test does. Okay. This is the drive okay, it's failing the wow. Yeah, full read scan. Let's see if we can get it to scan anywhere onto the drive. No, it's failing the buffer test. Okay. Yeah, I think it's locking up, trying to do the buffer test. Okay, so this drive is dead. This is going on the dead pile. I'm not going to be able to get any more data off this drive, I don't think. Even if I let it replace the control board, it sounds like something is mechanically wrong inside. So, 2 dead drives. Now this one was beeping at me last time. Maybe I should take the jumper off peremptorily since I know it can read slaves. That was J20, right? Yes. And maybe that will keep it from beeping at me. Now that that pile is empty, I'll move this pile over. Okay, power. Please don't beep at me. It usually beeps at me really fast. Okay, no beeping. Yay. This one's also making weird noises. Not as bad as the other one, mind you. Does sound like the head going all over the place though, doesn't it? Okay. This one is not found. Huh. Maybe it needs that jumper. Okay, it's turning off. No, it's not turning off. Come on, turn it off. Thank you. Okay, so we'll put the jumper back on and see if that makes a difference. Hopefully it won't just beep at me. It does spin up though. And all the other ones that spin up, at least recognized by the PowerMax program. Okay. Hey, okay, we're good. I don't know what the beeping was about. Not good noises. We're having trouble getting past. Oh, we made it, okay. Oof. It didn't say that it didn't find it this time. There it is, and this is a Maxtor. Okay. And the installation, is it installed? Okay, the smart's bad, so it's probably dying. Got an error code immediately. And wants me to do a full read scan. Okay, we'll do a full read scan. Warning! Errors have been detected on your drive. PowerMax can attempt to repair these errors. Sure, I don't think I have much to lose at this point. Yes! Some data on this drive may be lost. Oh well, yes. I can't get any data off the drive. Okay, it said the drive's been repaired. Installation confirmation. Same problem. It's like it can't enable smart. I wonder if it doesn't have smart. Yeah, maybe it's an old enough drive it doesn't have smart. SO1. Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't think this drive is going to work. Maybe it's just so old it doesn't have smart. That's just patent stuff. The support call contains parts that are subject to ESD. Serviced with a 1? Serve 1 CED. Weird. Not really serviced. Just our own definition of this new word we invented that we spell weirdly. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have a lot of hope for this one. So I think this is also going to go in the bad pile. Okay. So now, what do we do with the rest of these? Well, so these are all drives that I've not gotten data off of. All of these drives I've gotten all the data off of. So I think I want to use the MaxBlast program if it'll work with non-Maxtor drives. I'll try with the Maxtor drives first. The idea is if I get any smart errors on any of these drives, then I don't want them anymore because they're just going to gum up the works. They're going to go bad and do bad stuff. But I want any of the ones that don't have smart errors. So we'll see. Now, it's possible that the smart information is stored differently on drives that aren't Maxtor drives. This is going to be hard to figure out. So let's see, we've got Western Digital here. Somewhere in this stack there are like 4 or 3 or something Maxtors. Where are they? I forgot what order I did all this in. There we go. They're all on the bottom, huh? Yes, there are 3 of them. Okay, so we'll start with these. And then we'll do all of these. All right, Maxtor drive number 1, or number 5. What are you? Part of a drive, I guess. Okay. No beeps. No beeps is good beeps. Ooh, it's making some weird noises. There it is. It's the secondary master. Okay, so I wasn't able to enable the smart, but maybe it doesn't have smart? I don't know. There's an error code. Okay. So it wants to do a full read scan. Okay. Well, we may as well try that. Got all the data off this drive. Okay, says it's been repaired. Still telling me smart's failed. Still same error code. Nope. Okay, and it's not going to do the read test without that attempting to do that fix. So it's just this drive is bad. Goes on the bad pile. Which is here. Right? Yes. Let's try this one. So far so good. Okay, this one's showing up as a master. Okay. Installation confirmation. Ah! So this one's got good smart data. So this one's probably good. Just do a quick thing here. Move this. Everything's passed. Oh, we're good. Everything's good. Oh my God. Okay. And let's just start the full scan. Make sure that it moves. Yes, it's moving. Okay, so we're good. You now have 2 good drives. Last Maxtor drive. probably going to be a slave.
Just to let you know, this video is over soon. So rub your eyes and stretch your thighs and sing in tune. It's time to find another kind of video, for this one is nearly done, you know.
Fate. Scanning for drives. Okay, yep, there it is. It's the secondary slave. Installation confirmation. It was not able to read the partition, but it was able to enable Smart. Interesting. Smart test not supported on this hard drive model. Interesting. Well, at least it knows that. It seems to have passed it. So let's try the full scan test and we'll see if it can read. No, it can't read. Okay, so it doesn't seem to be able to read the drive. If it can't read the drive, we're screwed. So that's the end of this drive. Thank you. Okay, on the bad pile. These are all facing different directions. Okay, so now let's see if it works with a Hitachi Desk Star.